Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video we'll see how introduction of machine learning. Okay, so machine learning is defined as a discipline of artificial intelligence, AI, that provides machine the ability to automatically learn from data and past experience, to identify patterns and make prediction with minimal human intervention. So basically with this data, what I understood that, okay, let's say basically machine learning is the goal of a machine learning is to do prediction, okay, to guess something, okay, and the prediction has to be very much accurate, and this accuracy can be achieved if you have more number of set of datas. Okay, let's say if you have millions of set of datas. Okay, let's say if you have more information, that means result would be more accurate. So let's see what is this machine learning. So basically, when let's say just imagine you're a small child, okay, and if I'm showing you your child of, let's say, around 2 to 3 years, and you just started speaking, okay, so at that time if I show you something, okay, let's say a fruit or any animal, you will be able to it will be difficult for you to tell the name of that animal if you're seeing the animal or the fruit first time in your life. So okay, so there should be some there'll be a parents who will be guiding the children's, like this is the fruit, this is this fruit, this is, let's say, this is apple, and this is a dog, and this is a cat. Okay, so there will be a teacher should be present, okay, to tell the child that this is what. Okay, in the same way, machine also needs somebody to train it. Okay, so basically a user, or it can be a teacher, you can say. So let's say if I'm going to train the machine, so I'll be going to be a teacher, or I'm going to be the parent for the machine. Okay, so by showing those pictures or showing that animal to the child will able to recognize it. The child can able to store it in its memory, that if the child see the pictures of the dog or the apple again in the future, it can able to tell easily that yes, I have seen this animal, my parents have told me this is the dog and this is the cat, like this, right? So in the same way, what the child is doing is storing those data in its memory. The same thing happens with the machine. Okay, when we train machine with the data, what machine does, machine store it in its memory. Okay, and whenever we show again those similar kind of data to the machine retain those data from its memory and can able to predict, yes, this thing I have seen, this is this one, right? Let's say this is a dog. Okay, I know this one, it is there in my memory, you have shown it to me before itself. Okay, so machine can able to tell. So the prediction machine does based on the data fed it to the machine, basically. So that is why it is saying it learns from the past experience. Okay, and it learns automatically. Fine. So basically, at first, when you are teaching the machine, you're going to be a teacher, you're going to be a mentor for the machine, okay, who is feeding the data. Okay, that is called a type of a supervised learning. Okay, so this is how the concept of machine learning works. Okay, but it needs one user, basically, who will initially feed the data to the machine, and it will tell the machine these are what. Okay, and basically labeling it. Okay, so and later on coming stages, what the machine does, machine starts learning by its own. Okay, with the help of reinforcement learning or the unsupervised learning. Fine, by clustering the data or classification, it learns. Okay, so initially it needs a teacher to train the machine, and after that it start learning by its own. Okay, same thing happens with humans also, right? As we are in child, and as we were child, we have learned many things from our parents, and we started growing, and in the coming stage, in the coming years, we started learning by our own, right? So same thing happens with the machine learning also. So those who wants the proper working on this one, like understanding the machine learning, they can see my another playlist of machine learning, where I have done some image model, text model, and I have explained the machine learning in very details. Okay, they can go through that videos and they can understand. Fine. So what I'm doing, I'll go to the next slide now. So basically this was the thing, the child learning. This is how child learns, right? And this is how the machine learns. I have given some pictures. And here, why machine learning? Why do we need to learn machine? Okay, Basically machine, what it does now, machine learning perform the complex task in a very simple way. Okay, that is, let's say analyzing a data, fraud detection, customer services, process automation, innovations, healthcare. In many places it has been used. Okay, that's the reason we have to learn machine learning. Okay, because in the coming years maybe machine will occupy the places for the human. Okay, but master will be only one, that is human. Next, the types of machine learning. So as I discussed, first supervised learning, then next unsupervised learning, and third is reinforcement learning. These are the three types of machine learning are there. Okay, supervised learning, where it works on classification and regression, which we are going to see in the practical. Okay, then unsupervising is a clustering type of learning. Okay, that means clustering. What is classification? Basically the similar kind of data has been placed in one place. Okay, regression is also a type of supervised learning, and unsupervised learning, it use clustering where the teachers are not present. Okay, that means trainer or mentor is not present to train the machine, it learns by its own. Okay, what it does, it finds a similar kind of data and keep it in one place, and based on that it does the prediction. Okay, reinforcement learning, again it learns from the feedback from the user. Okay, these things we are going to see in the detail in practical form. Next, difference between DL, ML, AI and data science. Okay, so let's say when I talk about artificial intelligence, so basically artificial intelligence, deep learning is deep learning. DL means deep learning, ML means machine learning, AI means artificial intelligence, and data science. Okay, so basically when we talk about AI, so there are basically two types of AI. One is strong AI and one is weak AI. Okay, so weak AI are those like basically the machine which performs some specific task, that is called a weak AI, and strong AI which works on like computer vision and voice recognition. These are the strong AI. Okay, so when I talk about what is the difference between this DL, ML, AI and data science, let's see. So first, the deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and again machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay, without the machine learning, artificial intelligence cannot be achieved. Okay, and without the deep learning, machine learning cannot be achieved. Okay, and so these are one kind of disciplinary we can say. Okay, and data science, which uses all these three techniques, that means it uses artificial intelligence plus it uses machine learning as well as learns deep learning. It uses all the three technologies, okay, to and we call it as a data science. Okay, so data science is basically a very vast field. So it uses all the three things: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, this is the difference. Application of machine learning. Let's see in which are the fields the machine learning can be applied. Okay, for image recognition, speech recognition, recommender systems, fraud detection, self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, virtual try-on, and robotics. These are the fields where the machine learning has been used. It is still using, okay, and it will be using in the future also. Next, machine learning life cycle. So how the machine learning life cycle works? Okay, the first is data acquisition, that means collection of data, data preparation, preparing of data, let's cleaning the data, and those things comes inside the data preparation. Hypothesis model, that means creating the model. Evaluation means creating the checking after deployment, we check the whether the machine is working properly or not. Then after that we do the deployment, and then operation performs. Getting? So this is the life of machine cycle. Okay, so these are the things what we have see in the theory form, and in the coming videos we'll see how to do the practical with the help of Python, and in the coming video we'll also see how to download the tools and software required for perform machine learning. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you.